हाय गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज़ रोशनी। सो आज के वीडियो के लिए मैं शेयर करने वाली हूँ एक सरोजनी नगर हॉल वीडियो। बहुत समय बाद, लाइक आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग आई एम पोस्टिंग दिस वीडियो। एंड मैं इस हॉल के पहले 2 3 4 5 बार सरोजनी जा चुकी हूँ। एंड इस टाइम पे मैंने काफ़ी कुछ लिया है एंड अपने दोस्तों के लिए भी लिया था जो उनको मैं दे चुकी हूँ। सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ स्टफ दैट आई नीड टू शो यू गाइज। सो ज़्यादा देर ना करते हुए चलते हैं सीधे इस वीडियो की तरफ। तो आई हैव 2 pleat skirts. This is what it looks like. Each is for like 150 rupees and I got it from a same shop. Don't remember the shop names, but one of them is from Boohoo, which is Woohoo. Okay. So this is what the skirt looks like. It has button detailing and this checkered print all over. This is a very basic skirt and the other one has a little frill details. This is from a brand called Yesika. Now this I don't know, but this looks really cute and people who follow me on Instagram loved this skirt. It's not too short on me, not too long on me, just the perfect. And I really love this one. The quality is really nice also, and both of them were for 150 bucks. Next that I have two bottoms. One of them is this silver pants, or I must say formal pants, which is flared in the bottom like this, and the quality is really nice. I got it for 100 rupees only. So I really love the quality and the fact that it gives me a really nice shape from the back side, which I really love. And it is flared but थोड़ा सा लंबा है, मुझे थोड़ा सा छोटा करवाना पड़ेगा, but I like it a lot. Next bottom that I have is jeans, beige white, off white color, not even beige, it's basically off white, and it's a very flowy jeans. इसमें यहाँ पे चेन नहीं है but button detailings है, which is very secure and nice. I really love the fitting of this. This gives me a very nice shape to my body. Though I'm short, but I really love pants like this. नीचे में ऐसे ribbed detailing है, so it looks very rusty and nice, and the material is really heavy. I got this particular one for 200 rupees as I remember. So yeah, it was really cheap and the quality was really nice. Now let's come to winter wear. So the first one that I'm already wearing is this beige coat. This is very similar to one I already have, but ये थोड़ा सा पतला है and it looks really nice and very posh. The fact that इसमें दो pocket भी हैं and the length is perfect, not too long for my hands. I have shorter hands, so yeah. And I love the sleeves and the color is just so perfect. I love basic neutrals and black. So this has this off falling shoulder kind of detail, which is a 10 on 10. I got this for 100 bucks, which is a great steal deal. All that sweaters that are trending very much, the half cropped ones, and luckily I just got one. बाकी मैंने पूरा सरोजनी ढूंढ लिया, मुझे वो कहीं नहीं मिला. I got this one from a store again for 100 rupees, and again it is a very off-white color but so warm and so nice. You can see the detailing, it's like ऐसे crisscross detailing में है and looks very professional. सरोजनी में बहुत सारे स्वेटर्स मिलते हैं जो 100 रुपीज़ के ही होते हैं, and quality is just so rich and so nice. You just have to search एकदम अच्छे से and you get the best quality out of just 100 bucks. I want to get more of them because it's really convenient to wear to office, and for now I just have 2 of them. Last year I did get a lot of them. First one is again one of my most loved sweater on Instagram. It is this one, this dark lavender color, and it is so heavy and so nice, and it is oversized. And like this has sleeves like this, and this is what the stitching looks like. It looks like one of those urbanic sweaters, as I said, and both of them have like this. So आगे से भी ऐसा ही है ये. The next one that I have is a white sweater, and this is what it looks like. So pretty. I just cannot say, like, and it is so heavy and so warm. इतना गर्म रखेगा ये आपको winters में कि मैं क्या बोलूँ. So this is also very oversized, and this is what the detailing it has. Very nice and very simple, very cute. I love how it looks on me. मेरे स्किन टोन पे वाइट रियली डजंट सूट्स अ लॉट, बट दिस वन इज़ अमेजिंग एंड इट इज़ सो सॉफ्ट. आई मीन ऑब्वियसली सरोजनी का है, सो देयर वुड बी अ लिटिल अप एंड डाउन इन द क्वालिटी. लाइक धोने के बाद इसमें से वो छोटे छोटे वुल निकलने लगे हैं, बट 100 रुपये में हाउ डज़ इट इवन मैटर. बस विंटर्स में तो वही पहनना है, एंड जस्ट स्टाइल इट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर सेल्फ, एंड दिस विल लुक एज एक्सपेंसिव एज अ ज़ारा स्वेटर. आई ऑल्सो गॉट वन कोट which is this one. Now I don't really remember if I have shown you guys this one or not, but this is the blue color one and it's very basic. The fact that इसके हाथ थोड़े से छोटे हैं which is okay, but मुझे really याद नहीं आ रहा है कि मैंने ये आपको किसी हॉल में शो किया था या नहीं. I guess नहीं. So if not, I got this one for 200 or 300 rupees, I don't remember, but somewhat between 200 to 300, 250 का ऐसे ही कुछ था. So this was the one. And last that I got is this black and white long sweater that looks like a kurti but also very very warm. Now this one is also for 100 rupees and I really love it. Very basic, very nice, something very similar to I had long back. This is from a brand called Black Label, made in Korea. The fact that I got this is because it was written as made in Korea. I mean, kitna sach hai wo to nahi pata, but this is also very, you know, oversized. Just put on a belt and it will look amazing. I got this shirt for rupees 50. This satin shirt, not to wear it outside. I mean, I can, but just for videos. It looks really rich and really nice. एक मिनट मैं इसको सीधा कर दूँ. So this has this flower detailing all over it if the camera is catching it, and looks really nice for 50 bucks, and it's very soft, very satiny, like looks very expensive. The next one that I have is a very oversized shirt, as same as to the skirt that I own. This one is really comfortable to wear. I just throw it on and put a denim jacket on or just like that, and it looks really comfortable. I got this one for also 100 rupees. This time everything was really cheap and nice, but I really like the quality. इसको मैं 6 या 5 बार धो चुकी हूँ. Obviously it has started to get a little crumbled, but I don't care. I mean, the next piece that I have is a beautiful dress by ASOS. Now obviously कुछ defect होगा तभी ASOS के dress यहाँ पे है, and it's original ASOS dress. Now this one was for rupees somewhat 250. I guess I got it for 250 or 200, and love it how it fits on me. It's a little loose on the top because I guess it's a size large or something, so XL, but I don't mind. I really love how it looks, how it cinches. Get it stitched, it may look nice, and it is a bit see-through, so have to wear something really covering inside. I mean, depends on how comfortable you are. And the next one that I have is a very lavendery jumpsuit that is also from ASOS. You can see it in the picture. अभी उसको सुखाने डाला है, so it's drying over there. This is a little wet because I went to Bhubaneswar and I came back, so सारे कपड़े धोने पे डाले थे. So this is what it cinches in like. It's a pretty good jumpsuit, but a hoodie jumpsuit, like it's properly made for winters. And I also got this one for rupees 250, which is really cheap, and I love it how it looks because just because it's lavender I got it, and also it is from ASOS. So also I got 2 matching night suits. I went with my friend Parvani there, and we suddenly saw this store, and there were this matching sets over there, and I was very excited about it. So I got one of the duck ones and one of the Mickey Mouse one. If you don't know, until now I love Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, anything Disney, I'm up for it. So I got these two. The quality is really nice, not up to the mark, but 200 rupees for a night suit is okay, चल जाता है. But now that I have watched it like 4 to 5 times, थोड़ा सा उसका चमक जाने लगा है, but it's fine, चल जाएगा. Just 200 rupees doesn't matter a lot. So yeah, that is what it is in all the clothing section. I did get 2 heels, about which I have posted it on my Instagram. I got the white one and one of them in pink, and it is from this shop. I have posted the reel about it. You can get all the reels related to Sarojini Nagar, link in the description box below. I'll link it down, and if you don't follow me in my Instagram, you can go ahead and check it out. I posted all of the links over there, from which shop, what did I get. I'll go soon again and show you guys the winter collection over there, so that if you're visiting Sarojini Nagar, it will be a little helpful for you guys. Let's talk about the heels. The heels are really comfortable, not that I can wear it for a long time. I have flat foot, so it really gets difficult for me to wear heels, but these are comfortable and कुछ occasion में काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है. I don't want to invest a lot in the heels of Zara or H&M, because I don't know, I just feel like this works. I do invest in boots and everything, but not in heels. So that is what it is. And I also did get few bags, about which again I have posted on my Instagram. So I got these 2 very shiny satiny bags. I got it from the same shop that is opposite to Graffiti Lane, and वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे कलेक्शन मिलते हैं for like just rupees 350. And if it's raining or there's committee coming up and they try to close it, you can get this bag for 300 rupees. It's a steal deal. उस दिन मुझे ये दोनों 300 में मिले. I like the grey one, and while I was grabbing, someone was taking the black one also, and the black one was looking very posh and very rich, so I grabbed the black one also with it. And rest too, that is this beige one and the, which color is it, tan one. Them were also for rupees 350, so it was a good steal deal. I really liked it. So these was all the things. I also got few of the earrings from Sarojini, again जिसका मैंने सारा वीडियोस डाल ही दिया है. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I didn't want to make it too long, so yeah, I'll see you guys soon in my next one. Again, if you like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and do hit the bell notification button, so that whenever I upload a new video, you guys notified. I'll see you guys soon in the next one. Bye.